Have you ever looked at your phone, ready to make a quick payment or check your balance, only to be met with the dreaded message, "Your Monese account is blocked"? It's a gut-wrenching feeling, isn't it? You're suddenly cut off from your money, and you're left wondering, why? Well, you're not alone. Countless people have found themselves in this frustrating situation. Today, we're diving deep into the reasons why your Monese account might be blocked. We'll break down the common culprits, offer potential solutions, and provide tips to help you prevent this from happening again. Let's start with the most obvious reasons. Reason 1: Suspicious activity. Monese, like any financial institution, has a duty to protect its customers from fraud. If the system detects unusual activity on your account, it might automatically freeze it as a precautionary measure. This could be anything from a sudden influx of large sums of money to transactions from unfamiliar locations. Think about your recent activity. Have you made any unusually large purchases? Have you traveled to a new country? These actions might trigger the fraud prevention system. Reason 2: Identity verification issues. Monese, like other financial services, is required to verify the identity of its customers. This is to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. If there are inconsistencies or missing information in your identity verification, your account might be blocked. Have you recently changed your address or name? Have you provided incorrect information during the sign-up process? These issues could lead to a blocked account. Reason 3: Terms of service violations. Monese has a set of terms and conditions that all users must agree to. If you've violated any of these terms, your account could be at risk. This could be anything from using your account for illegal activities to sharing your account details with unauthorized individuals. Have you used your Monese account for any prohibited activities? Have you shared your card details with someone else? Be honest with yourself, as this could be the reason for your blocked account. Reason 4: Risk assessment. Monese uses sophisticated algorithms to assess the risk associated with each account. Factors such as transaction history, location, and spending patterns are considered. If your account is flagged as high risk, it might be temporarily blocked for further review. While this can be frustrating, it's essential to understand that these measures are in place to protect you and other customers. What to do when your Monese account is blocked? The first step is to panic less and act calmly. Don't delete the block notification or ignore it. The sooner you address the issue, the better. Check the Monese app, look for any specific messages or instructions about why your account is blocked. This can provide valuable clues. Contact Monese support. Reach out to Monese customer support immediately. Be clear and concise about the problem. Provide as much information as possible to help them resolve the issue quickly. Gather your documents. If there are identity verification issues, have your documents ready. This could include your passport, driver's license, or proof of address. Be patient. Resolving account issues can take time. Avoid making multiple calls or sending repeated emails, as this might delay the process. Preventing your Monese account from being blocked. Keep your information updated. Ensure that your personal details, including your address and phone number, are always up to date. Protect your account. Never share your card details or PIN with anyone. Be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Monitor your transactions. Regularly review your account activity to identify any unusual transactions. Understand the terms of service. Take the time to read Monese terms and conditions to avoid accidental violations. While being locked out of your Monese account is undoubtedly inconvenient, understanding the potential reasons and taking proactive steps can help you avoid this situation in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.